Welcome back to Emperor of Estates. In this powerful session, we dive into Lesson 5.3, Repairing and Maintaining Property. As a future community association manager, this topic isn't just theory, it's daily reality. Let's sharpen your knowledge on how to keep properties safe, functional, and law-compliant. Pool maintenance requirements based on FS, Chapter 514, and FAC 64E9. In Florida, public swimming pools fall under the jurisdiction of the Department of Health, DOH, and county health departments. That includes pools in condos, co-ops, HOAs, hotels, motels, and more. Exception: associations with 32 or fewer units may be exempt from DOH licensing, but only if they apply. Annual licenses are required. Fees are based on water volume. Renewal is due by June 15th every year. Inspections ensure water safety and sanitation. Pools must be properly lit for nighttime use, not exceed 104 degrees if heated. Display no diving signage for pools, eels 200 square feet. Require all bathers to shower before entering. Required signage, legible from the deck. Warning, no lifeguard on duty. No food, drink, glass, or animals. Bathing load and pool hours. Shower before entering. Do not swallow the pool water. New builds. B. Security guard requirements. Based on FS. Chapter 493. When hiring through a security agency, officers must have a Class D license. The agency must also be licensed. Licenses should be attached to contracts when hiring unarmed guards directly. Registration with the state is required. No Class D license is needed. These are proprietary security guards. Remember, they are not law enforcement. Uniforms must identify the licensed agency. Only Class D plus Class G license holders may carry firearms. C. Pest control requirements based on FS. Chapter 482. The Florida Department of Agriculture regulates pest control. Association staff can spray common areas, but never owner units. Fumigation requires a licensed pest control contractor, a certified ID card, supervision by a certified operator. Examples of fumigation: tenting, gas release, enclosed treatments. DIY treatments by owners in their own units are allowed, but not by unlicensed staff. An elevator service and operation based on FS. Chapter 399. If your association has elevators, you must comply with annual inspections, operating permits, and safety codes. The owner, or lessee, is responsible for maintenance. File a service maintenance statement yearly. Notify DBPR 30 days prior to changing companies. Elevator requirements. Handicap accessibility. Framed, visible, certificate of operation. Clear, no smoking signage. Accident reporting within 5 days, or face a $1,000 fine. Condos over 75 feet tall must have at least one elevator with emergency backup power, unless owners vote to opt out. General property maintenance. The association must maintain all common elements, like roofs, fences, hallways, and landscaping. And if the board neglects its duty, owners may take legal action. If an owner damages common property, the association may sue to recover costs. Tree trimming and vegetation rights. No local permits are needed if a certified arborist declares a tree dangerous. Property owners may request utility companies to trim vegetation without city approval. Mangroves are regulated by the Department of Environmental Protection. Florida now mandates each county appraiser to post a property owner bill of rights on their website. Association emergency powers. Under a declared emergency by Florida's governor, boards may hold remote meetings with short notice, cancel and reschedule meetings, appoint temporary assistant officers, relocate offices, shut down utilities or common areas, enforce evacuation if advised by professionals, contract urgent repairs and borrow funds, levy special assessments without member vote. These powers are temporary, only valid during the emergency period to protect health and safety. Even HOAs and co-ops get these expanded powers under Florida Senate Bill 630. Easements. The board can grant, move, or modify easements as long as they're on common property. No individual owner's rights are harmed. It serves the best interest of the whole community. Solar devices and clotheslines as per FS 163.04. Associations cannot prohibit solar panels, clotheslines, or energy devices on homes. However, they can control location as long as functionality isn't impaired. Condos may install such devices on common areas without a member vote. Electric and natural gas vehicles. Thanks to SB 630, owners can install EV or natural gas charging stations in their parking spaces. Owners must cover costs and follow laws. Associations can install and charge for community stations. This is not considered a material alteration. Vegetable gardens. Local governments cannot regulate vegetable gardens on residential property. They can only issue general ordinances, like drought or fertilizer rules. Gardens may include herbs, fruits, veggies, even edible flowers. Autonomous vehicles. Florida is leading the way with self-driving tech. Associations should start preparing for guest parking logistics, garage design modifications, HOA rules on autonomous vehicle usage. These vehicles will benefit seniors, non-drivers, and the disabled, but may also face community resistance. KMs should educate boards early. Quick recap. Pools, pest control, security, and elevators are heavily regulated. Tree trimming and energy use. Laws protect owner rights. Emergency powers give boards flexibility, but only temporarily. Technology and sustainability laws are changing community life. Your job is to manage, maintain, and move with the times. Motivation for CAM students. You're not just fixing fences or posting signs. You're making homes livable. You're upholding laws. You're shaping the future of Florida communities. Stand proud, because what you do matters. Final call to action. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Emperor of Estates for more insights into CAM laws, property operations, and association leadership. Type PROTECT in the comments if you're ready to be the CAM your community can count on. A CAM training # Florida CAM, # repair, and maintained / pool laws / security guards, pest control Florida, / elevator codes, / emergency powers, / HOA maintenance, Emperor of Estates. Thank you for watching. Explore our other channels. Emperor University, Emperor Artificial Intelligence, AI, Emperor Science and Fiction, Sci-Fi, Emperor Nature, Emperor Aviation, Emperor Entertainment, and Emperor Music. Channel links are in the description below.